Well, hey Raj, thanks for joining us today and
Thanks.
agreeing to kind of answer a few questions here for us. So,
Sounds good.
yeah, we're out in Fort Saskatchewan and we helped you guys develop your basement and now we're all done. So,
Yeah.
we can kind of go through and ask you a couple questions here. So, how did you hear about Priority Builders?
Just Googling online and trying to find out who was legit and who who had a good reputation. I checked on Google reviews, stuff like that, and then I checked the Better Business Bureau as well. Um, and you guys had really great reviews on both. Then I went into the social media side of things and was checking you guys out on Instagram and Facebook, and that kind of made things a little more personal, a little more comfortable, and I felt like I already kind of knew you guys before you came in the house. That was kind
Awesome.
of nice. Yeah, that's how I found you out.
Awesome. And I guess for social media, were you watching like the stories? Did you just look at the posts or what
Yeah, I think
was?
there's a lot of stories. It was kind of nice to see that because you see it
Mhm.
real time, and things are just like open and honest and right there. There's no fake stuff. You see things as they progress, so that was really kind of cool to see.
Awesome. Awesome. Walk me through your experience after the initial contact.
Yeah, so we interviewed quite a few contractors, had a lot of people in the house, giving quotes and stuff like that. And basically, we got it kind of whittled down to a few companies. And the experience with Priority Builders was that you guys were, you were the ones that kind of followed up with us the most, and we kind of were looking for a while. Late last year, and then we kind of stopped for a little bit, and then you guys are actually the first ones to actually reach out and follow up, and that was kind of a nice touch because we thought, we are thinking about maybe doing this again here, so that kind of brought us back into it. So that was a great experience.
Awesome. Awesome. So I guess what was your initial vision for the basement and what did you want to use the space for?
Yeah, we wanted more storage space. We wanted kind of an open space. We have a new baby, so when she's a little bit older, to be able to play and have some space for toys and stuff like that. And we also wanted to have another bedroom down here and a bathroom. So when in-laws, parents come up and visit, people come to visit, there's some extra area there with a growing family. It's nice to have a little bit of separation there from the floors. So yeah, and you guys made that happen for sure. So it's great.
Awesome. Awesome. So was this your first major renovation or basement development project?
Yes, yeah, it was our first one. So definitely, like I said, having that kind of personal touch, with having you guys on social media and stuff like that, just to get to know you a little better, made it a little more comfortable for us because we weren't really sure what to expect. And having interviewed a lot of people, you see a whole variety of things, and it was nice to have that kind of professional and personal touch as well.
Awesome. Awesome. Tell me about the process of choosing selections for your basement.
Yeah, it was straightforward and simple. We had basically one, big template, and everything was detailed there of what we needed, and we kind of had lots of flexibility to either do it on our own or ask you for advice as well. And communication was great, so it was easy to ask questions and get answers right away.
Awesome. Awesome. So I guess what kind of conversations have you had with your neighbors?
Yeah, it's been great. You see the kind of the garbage bin out in the front, and people are asking, what was going on, and just said it's been great so far. I think the biggest question was like, oh, are they good? Like,
Yeah.
are they reputable, or are they screwing you over? And it's like you realize how common that might be in the industry. And my first thing was always, no, not at all. They've been amazing. So I always just said to them, we're lucky to have great contractors because I've heard the horror stories, and
Yeah.
luckily we didn't have to experience that. So it's good.
Awesome. Awesome. So I guess as far as the estimate is concerned, did the amount of detail that we provided in there give you confidence?
It was great, yeah, because as we said, we had a lot of different estimates, and you see a lot of different levels of detail. You guys are by far the most detailed, and for someone who's going through their first renovation or their first major experience with this, it was nice because you see things you didn't really even know were part of the renovation. So it was good to have that idea and just have it in writing, and then you can follow up on things and make sure that things are going to plan a little bit easier. So that was great.
Awesome. Awesome. So during the renovation, like what was your preferred method of communication?
I think definitely email. It was nice because I can CC my wife on the emails and we can all be in the loop with everything. So yeah, and it was very easy to contact you guys, and we always got a response right away or within a reasonable time frame. So yeah, no issues there at all. It's great.
Awesome. Awesome. And I guess as far as like project updates, like how did that go for you?
That was nice. Yeah, I know you'd reach out to us on a regular basis. If we hadn't been in contact for a few days or whatever, you kind of reach out and say, this is what's going on, or this is what the plan is for the week. And, as life is, things change and we have to adapt. And you're always kind of keeping us in the loop with how things might change with the schedule and stuff. So that was great.
Awesome. Awesome. So I guess what were your thoughts on the payment schedule?
Yeah, no issues from our end. It was honest and straightforward with how things were going to go, and it allowed us to kind of plan a bit more of like how to move money around, stuff like that, to have it ready to go for the payment schedule. So that was really nice. I'd say it was fair. No issues from our end for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So I guess if somebody was thinking about using Priority Builders for their next project, what would you tell them?
I'd say it's a no-brainer. It was our first experience with this, but having talked to a lot of people that went through basement renovations in the past, I think we definitely got a good experience compared to a lot of people, and we're just really lucky to have you guys. So yeah, super happy.
And I guess what are you most looking forward to enjoying with your new basement?
Oh, just having the extra space. It's a nice little breath of fresh air, some new space to kind of do what we want with. Having the little one run around here eventually will be really fun, and just having that open canvas to kind of do what we want to do.
Awesome. And I guess the little one's probably going to be moving down here right away.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what
Time
happens.
goes by pretty quick, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. So yeah, it's been nice, with a growing family and just being able to plan the future a little bit better, knowing that, okay, we have this space, it's set up, and makes things a little bit easier for sure.
Awesome, Raj. And I guess the last question I got to ask you, does the basement get the thumbs up?
Oh, definitely. Always thumbs up. Love it. Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Well, I really appreciate it. And thanks for sharing this.
No worries.
Again, I think it's really important to let people know that there are really trustworthy, good contractors out there that really care about people, care about their families, and care about doing a really good job. So
Totally agree. Yeah.
thank you very much for this.
Not a problem. Thank you guys.
Awesome.
Thanks.